Hundreds of billions of dollars are flowing into artificial intelligence at a pace that mirrors the early Industrial Revolution. The infrastructure is expanding faster than most people can track. You are effectively locked out of this development. Building these models requires concentrated capital and engineering teams that only a handful of global corporations can afford. The barrier to entry is defined by physical hardware. Training modern algorithms requires vast circular data centers that consume as much electricity as small cities. Every blinking light on these server racks represents thousands of dollars in microchips. This is a game played with resources that the average person will never possess. This massive scale creates a sense of helplessness, but that anxiety comes from focusing on the wrong side of the equation. We are obsessing over the machine while ignoring the source of its power. The multi-billion-dollar AI engine sits idle without human fuel. You are the sole manufacturer of that resource. Large language models lack original thought. They function by consuming vast streams of human information and identifying patterns. This dependency has triggered a stagnation known as the data wall. Tech companies are running out of high-quality, human-generated text to feed expanding models. The internet's public knowledge has been thoroughly harvested. Models have already digested the entirety of Wikipedia and the open web. The tools we use today represent the limit of what public, generic data can produce. That harvest is complete, and the easy gains are over. These systems are now starving for information. To continue evolving, AI companies are forced to find new, untapped sources of human insight that don't exist in the public domain. An algorithm cannot live a life or gain physical intuition. Genuine, original data remains a resource that only an individual can generate. This shifts information's value. We must distinguish generic noise from differentiated data. Generic facts are commodities with zero market value. If scraped for free, they're worthless. Differentiated data is rare, like a craftsman handling a tool, or localized problem-solving inside a specific community. Your daily, specific human experience is the only resource on Earth that an algorithm cannot simulate. It is your personal monopoly. The era of surrendering our digital footprints to tech giants for free is reaching its end. Scarcity creates a new form of leverage. As generic data hits its limit, companies are forced to seek out specialized knowledge, transforming your private expertise into a tradable, licensed commodity. This requires a total shift in how you view your own skills. Stop trying to compete with the machine on its own terms of logic and speed. Your new mandate is to document and curate the aspects of your life that are most uniquely yours. Lean into your specific human quirks and deep, localized expertise. Authentic human experience has become the ultimate luxury asset of the future economy.